Hello, my name is Andre Felipe Silva Torres. I am 18 years old and I am an electronic engineering student at UNAD. I am single and I was born in Garzón Huila, but I live in Turkey Huila. My family is made up for my mom, my dad, my brother and my sister. We are a united family. About my personality, I am serious, responsible and supportive. I like play guitar, play soccer, watch movies, and share moments with my family and my friends. I dislike disorder and loneliness. My daily routine is I wake up at 6 o'clock, I have breakfast, I exercise, then I do university works, I have lunch at 12:30, I wash dishes, and I continue doing university work. Later I practice guitar or go out to play soccer. At night I have dinner, I watch TV and go to bed at 10:30. This is my personal presentation. Thank you.